He want to go outside every morning. That's why meow, meow, meow. You want to go outside? Huh? Chufifi, Wahad friend. You have friend outside waiting for you. You want to go? Later, okay? Just wait and let and go outside, okay? Yo. Hello, friend. Go outside. That's why you want to go outside, sa? But when you go outside, you need to come back, okay? Okay? Shufi, there's a lot of bird outside. Your friend. Just wait, okay? Later, okay? Just wait, okay? Let Ann open the door for you, okay? Jasper. Jasper. See, there's a lot of bird outside in the garden. Where's the other one? Yeah. Did you eat? You eat first before go outside. Okay? What's that? What's that, Habibi? Oh, it's Mubarak. It's Mubarak. Nah. You want to go outside? Let Ann open the door for you, okay? Jasper. 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 Oh, Jasper. Go outside. Okay, go. You want to go outside? Yalla, go outside, okay? Come back, ha? Bye-bye. Yalla, come back, okay? Yalla. Okay. There's a lot of bird. Come back, ha? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yun, umalis na. Come back, ha? Ano yun? Bye-bye. Bye. Ano? Yung isa. Yan. Oh, I close the door, okay? You go with Jasper. You play with Jasper. Bye.